Don't ask why I'm wearing a cap, okay? Just don't. Masakit na comments. Nakatikim ka na ba ng masakit na comments sa internet? Hindi ka ba matulog kakaisip dahil sa kanilang masasakit na comment? Pinababalik ka ba ng viewers mo at gumawa ka na daw ng content? Today we're going to the Facebook Reels and look at some mean comments. Tignan natin kung mababan tayo o hindi. By the way, bago tayo mag-start, make sure to go to our Discord community. Marami nagkwekwentuhan doon, tila 5 silang taong nagkwekwentuhan doon. Pag sumali kayo, 6 na kayo doon na walang ginagawa kundi magkwentuhan. So join our Discord community kung wala kayong makausap sa buhay. When Mickey Mouse wins an Olympic medal.
When you're putting your mind to it, you know exactly what to do indoors. How was that for you?
Oh, it was amazing. I mean, it was such a strong race. We were all right.
Nope. It might be tinaasan lang yung pitch sa editing.
Kasi pwede natin gawin sa editing yun. Baka dinaya lang niya.
And this is a title. Hindi siya mean comment. So, the first one doesn't count. At kung tumawa kayo, napakasama yung tao. Good morning. So, what is this?
Good morning. They say you look just how you
I can't even say those words, okay?
Oh no.
Still say it. Oh, come on. Hindi dapat tumatawa sa ganyan. Kasi yun ay condition. I believe it's being albino, I think.
Hey yo.
Should I continue the viewing this at all? Oh no.
Yeah, boy.
Oh no, I know the comments are gonna say, very nice things about this guy. God made them. Palibasa, hindi sila mahahabol sa internet kaya ganyan sila eh. Bro is AI generated. Basta, pwede lang tayong tumawa. Bawal tayong makisali sa comment nila. Hindi lang siya naghihirap sa ganyan, okay? Lahat dumadanas ng ganyan. Hindi nakakatawa yung kinoment niya. Hindi ako matatawa sa mga ganyan. Masyado siyang masamang tao. Bakit? Why is there a song? Why is there a song? How to do that? I wanna have a content like that. Pati ako sama-sama dito eh. Kasalanan ng mga comments. Hindi ako.
What?
Kasalanan ng comments. I drew myself in 4 anime styles. Oh no. Oh no. Just knowing the internet and you post it on the internet, you're gonna have to be ready for the comments. Oh, whoa. That is actually a very good drawing. It's amazing. Whoa, nice. Pwede lang magpa-drawing sa kanya eh. Wala akong wala akong taga-drawing ng character ko. Kaya hanggang ngayon ang character ko favorite character of all. 400 ang bayad ko dyan ha. 400 peso nung mura pa. Don't post it on social media. Just don't. Okay? Why you draw them? No. Why? You know what, bro? You're a very good guy. You are amazing at drawing. The comments, ignore them. Ignore them, bro. You are the best. I woke up and decided to be an adult. Oh. Just don't post it on public social media. Just post it to your friends, okay? Pronouns are P5O pom. Okay. Neck uninstalled successful. There's a neck. Okay, there is a neck. He has it. P5O.
Bruh.
I'm being very bad right now. The person has a neck. Dark skin. Okay? Brown skin. Oh, okay. It's like different colors. Diligo. Oh, this is a rare case. Nakakita ko ng ganyan dito kahit dito sa Pilipinas.
La 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 la.
You classified. You shouldn't be laughing. This is so bad. It's just. Oh my god. Goodbye my YouTube accounts. Oh my god. I hate this. I hate this so much. Index fingers in place. Slow it down when dining.
Oh no.
Can I stop now?
Fingers in place and
I can't anymore. I can't do this. I can't. I will collaborate with all the brands that will comment on this video. Well, how about that? I will collaborate with all the brands that will comment on my YouTube video.
Bruh.
I'll be using what you put here, okay? Mga brand dyan. Very child-friendly channel. I'm here. Just PM me.
No.
Okay? Yes, PH. I own a zoo. Need elephants on this. Oh! God! Oh, God! Could you be more cruel? I have a tent company. I need a Oh. Ooh. She will eat the Stop. Okay. My channel is trending on very sensitive topic right now. So, last video, ayoko na. Hi, here is a drawing I made today. Wait. Are those her drawings? It's kind of amazing. Well, yeah, maybe base niya or I don't know. Gagawa siya ng different approach. What the fuck? Yes. Okay.
Nani?
Okay. I get. You know what? Pupunta na lang ako sa ating GSPH group to see the top post of the day para matapos na tayo. Let's go. Elton Mark Christian A says that itry ko mag-Artcraft. Minecraft din siya na mod. I'm just gonna like this for now para matandaan ko. Pero hindi ko naman lalaruin because, you know, I always create promise that I forget. The best GSPH post I found today is this guy. Kaya pala di na masyado nag-a-upload. Sumali pala sa Olympics. Congrats, Boss Lack. Palato naman dyan. At least, may kamukha akong gold medalist. Hindi katulad mo. Thank you for watching, guys. Next month, i-upload ko na yung vlog. Hindi ako sure kung kailan, pero yun lang i-upload kong video. Dahil graduate na si Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time, Game Changers.